ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఈ రోజు నాకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ డే ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు 10 years ago మన film Legend released worldwide and went on to become the biggest blockbuster as we all know. So it's a very special day and Legend movie నా career-లోనే చాలా important, చాలా special movie and of course my biggest hit. So I feel very happy that I'm standing here and I want to thank everyone who has been involved with the film. I think our producer, I have to say, Ram Garu, Anil Sunkara Garu, Gopi Garu, Sai Korupati Garu, for making me a part of this beautiful film. And all the technicians, I think I have to say a big thank you to Sri Ram Prasad Garu for making me look more beautiful than I am. Thank you, sir. And Devi Sri Prasad, sir, for giving us fantastic music, for giving me Time Bomb, which was a very important song for me. And one person who believed in me and saw me and immediately signed me is my director, Voipati Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I will forever be thankful to you. I have to thank the audience. Audience ki chala thanks for giving it so much love. Our film is re-releasing, theaters lo re-releasing after 10 years. So please go and watch it. But this speech cannot end without me saying a big thank you to Mana Legend, Balya Garu, for being the most supportive actor. Sir, if it was not because of you, I would have not been standing here. Thank you for being so supportive and always being so humble and of course so talented. You are the legend. But sir, I'm waiting for the opportunity to work with you again. I'm really looking forward to it. And I hope that it happens soon, fingers crossed. Yes, so the film is re-releasing. Please do go and watch it. And thank you for all the love that you've given it earlier. And give it more love. Thank you. And before I end this, I have to say what you just said. Jai Balya! Jai Balya! Jai Balya! I have to do this. I had to do this. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సునాల్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో ఇంత పెద్ద హిట్ అయింది కాబట్టే, అంటే ఎక్కడో ఇలా ఈవెంట్ చేసి థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పకుండా టీం అంతా కూడా సినిమా రిలీజ్ అయ్యి సక్సెస్ అయిన తర్వాత పెదకాకాని, గుంటూరు, మంగళగిరి